Hi guys, got just a quick unboxing for you today, and shop. While I'm getting them out, I just wanted to say thanks to everyone that subscribed to me. So I've got over 100 subscribers now, which is 100 more than I thought I'd get. So just want to say thanks for everyone for subscribing, your support. Let's get this out. What's that? Some sort of bag. And there he is, Mark II. It's a different box to the other Ironman 2 stuff. Heavy as well. There he is. Sorry about the light glare. That's the back. Got him for a quite good price on eBay from Hong Kong. It was $205, and I think it was $48 for the EMS shipping. She got here in 3 days to the UK, so that's not bad. Yeah, you can pick him up for like a reasonable price. You ain't got to pay the I emailed the one on YouTube, that Kid or Toy Shop, and he wanted $340, which is rip off in my opinion for a new figure. When you can pick them up, if you look around on there, for $205. That was though. I paid him direct through PayPal. I think it was on eBay for $225. But if you just email the sellers, as long as you trust them, and ask if you can do the deal just direct through PayPal, most of them will. So there he is, guys. The box is a lot nicer than the normal Ironman 2 stuff. I didn't get the special edition one. He wanted an extra $15 for that, and I'm not paying $15 for an arm what I'm not going to use, and it's just going to stay in the box. So it's the back. It's a choking hazards, a little Marvel hologram. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll get him out, set him up, and then I'll do another video and show you what he's like. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.